2018 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, center armrest, premium sound, fog lights, security system, side airbag, power windows, CD player, clock, power door locks, tachometer, intermittent wipers, carpeted floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.